Welcome to Kavita in the kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare tasty mushroom dum biryani. To make mushroom dum biryani, we need 300 grams of basmati rice, 250 grams of mushrooms, half a cup of curd, quarter cup of saffron milk with ghee, chopped coriander and mint leaves, green chilli slits, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder, salt and 1 big onion for fried onions. Whole spices including cumin seeds and some more spices for rice which includes shajira. Add oil to the pan to fry onions. Meanwhile, sprinkle some all-purpose flour to onions to get crispy fried onions. Add onions to the oil and reduce the flame to medium. When the onions turns golden brown, transfer them onto a paper towel. Take half the fried onions and make a paste. To boil the rice, take at least 4 times of water to the rice. Add 3 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, bay leaves, shajira, green chilli slits, chopped coriander and mint leaves, bit of ginger garlic paste. Add salt to taste and 2 tablespoons of oil that we used for frying onions. Once the water comes to boil, add the rice that we soaked for 20 minutes. Once the rice is 75% done, take out the rice into the plate. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil that we used for frying onions. Add 4 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, 5 cloves, bay leaves, some mace, cumin seeds, mushrooms and some salt to mushrooms. After frying for 2 to 3 minutes, add ginger garlic paste and turmeric. Keep frying the mushroom until the moisture oozes out. Then add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. Stir them. Then add the paste of fried onions. Reduce the flame to low. Then add half a cup of curd. Add the salt. Stir them nicely. Take out some portion of the mixture to spread between rice layers. Add half the rice, then sprinkle chopped coriander and mint leaves, some fried onions and spread the mushroom mixture that we have already taken out. Now add the remaining rice and sprinkle coriander and mint leaves, fried onions and saffron milk with ghee. Cover the pan with foil to get nice dum and then lid. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat and 10 more minutes on low heat. Look at the beautiful dum biryani. It looks so appetizing. Garnish the biryani with cashews if you like. Try this recipe at home and let me know how you liked it. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to Kavita in the Kitchen.